Hi guys, this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to Clash, and today we discuss All India Judges Association versus Union of India. Now, through this decision, the Supreme Court has reinstated a rule requiring candidates for entry-level judicial positions to have minimum 3 years of practice. So, what is the historical context of this? Basically, in 1993, the Supreme Court initially mandated a 3-year practice for entry-level judicial positions. Then, in 1996, the Shetty Commission recommended relaxing the rule, citing concerns that after 3 years of practice, law graduates were not attracted to judicial positions anymore. So, in 2002, the Supreme Court scraped off the rule following the recommendation of Shetty Commission. But in 2025, the Supreme Court reinstates this decision to ensure that entry-level judicial positions must have real-life courtroom experience as well. Now, two things are important to discuss in this. Firstly, from when shall we calculate the date of experience of the 3 years of practice? So, the required years of practice shall be calculated from the date of provisional enrollment with the respective state bar councils. And secondly, what will be the proof of practice? So, proof must be submitted through either by a certificate by the principal judicial officer or a certificate by an advocate with at least 10 years standing duly endorsed by the principal judicial officer. Now, this decision has stirred up a debate amongst the law graduates and the law students as well. What is your take on this? Let us know in the comment section.